All right, kids, let's imagine we're word detectives for a moment. We're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of words, phrases, and their meanings. Welcome, word detectives. Our mission today, uncover the secrets hidden in the words and phrases authors use. First stop, literal meanings. These are what words mean straight from the dictionary. If you see the word cat, we're talking about a small furry animal that meows. But authors often use words in clever ways to add spice to their writing. They might use cat to describe a cool person. They're not really saying the person is a cat, are they? That's figurative language. When the author uses words or phrases not meant to be taken literally, they are using figurative language. Next stop, connotative meanings. These are the feelings or ideas that words suggest. For example, home might make us feel warm and safe, while darkness might feel scary or sad. And drum roll please, for our final stop, technical meanings. These are specific meanings used in different fields of study. For example, cell in biology refers to the basic unit of life, not a prison cell. Time for some practice. Let's look at this text about Amelia Earhart. Earhart's last flight was shrouded in mystery. What does shrouded mean here? As word detectives, we must use our skills to find the clues. Does shrouded mean covered? What feelings does it suggest? Is it a technical term? If you said shrouded, yes. In this context, it means covered or enveloped, and it suggests a feeling of secrecy or uncertainty. Well done, detectives. Congratulations. You have mastered the skill of determining the meaning of words and phrases in a text. Remember, every word is a clue, and you're the detectives. Now, go forth and solve the mysteries of language. Use your new skills to uncover the hidden meanings in everything you read. Stay curious and never stop exploring the exciting world of words.